Alright, so I just washed this part of the bike. There's the windshield there. Just gonna cover it so you don't want a bunch of crap, bug splatter on here, right? So initially I was looking at this, I was like, what, before I took out the screen and looking at the bracket, I was like, what the hell did this go? I couldn't figure it out. And then when I took out the bracket, I was like, oh, it doesn't go there. It goes right above the light, the headlight. So that means the bracket, and the bracket hits like so, right? Actually, this is the side. Bracket fits like so. That basically they fit right here. So underneath the cluster, the instrument cluster, and the top headlight mount. So those two, and and this thing comes with spacers, 2 long ones and 2 short ones. So those goes. This one would be the long one, and this one would be the short one. Let's see. It looks like there's some washers here, some plastic washers. I think the plastic washer is what goes on the. Yeah, these are all plastic washers actually. I think that's what goes on the windshield, windscreen. Should be 8 of them, I think, 1 on each side. Hard to tell. Anyways, let's take these ones off first. So I believe these are 6mm, 5 or 6. Let's see. They're pretty big. I would say go with 5. Oh, that's a 6. I think that's too big. 5. Okay, those are 5mm. There, this one is also 5. I hate those type of Allen keys. They're so clumsy. Better. Come out. This is what that looks like. It has a little stepper on their little shoulder part right there. Let's see what this one looks like. Probably the same. Maybe different lengths, maybe. Let's see if it has a shoulder or not. Probably has a shoulder. Yep. Okay, same thing. Same same thread, same head, same shoulders and everything. So that's what I like about the more modern Hondas. They do that. They make it so that way most things are as even as possible. So it goes like this, I believe. Alright? Yeah, it's like that. So we got 2 spacers, right? 2 spacers. Short one, long one. The long one goes on the headlight bracket. And the short one goes on the instrument panel. Well, it's kind of a nice spacer. Little there's a little pipe, and you can see it's tapered at the end. The long one. There's a short one. Same thing. It's shorter. Let's look at these little washers. Yeah, there's 8 of them. So that's right. So 8 of them are for the windshield. So that way, when you tighten down the windshield, then the nut on the windshield, it doesn't scratch the windshield. So let's see, this is going to be a long one and a shorter one. So a longer one and a shorter one, like so. These ones, I think these are 3mm. That's why I got this little combo one, because I don't have a 3mm on my socket wrench. The smallest I have on the socket wrench is a 4. Gotta use that stupid combo wrench. Alright, and that. Also, oh, it looks really off. The right side. Side, shorter one on this side, like so. Longer spacer, shorter spacer. Do the 2 threads first. Yeah. This is a place keeper. And then at the bottom side, 2 threads. The thing with this is you have to mount these ones first, because once you have the windshield here, you can't reach this, and you can reach this one outside here, but you can't reach the inside one. So you have to mount the inside one. Tighten it up first. I should actually use some blue Loctite. Yeah, I should use some blue Loctite. You got some blue Loctite real quick. So just because, probably don't need it, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Sort of just because blue Loctite's kind of, I have a feeling this, because now there's all this wind on the windshield. I have a feeling that it's gonna put a little bit more vibration and such from the wind here on these two, more than it would normally have. Potential for it to shake, vibrate loose is there. Just gonna use a little bit. Just like a drop or so. Wrench is like so big. Should have got my Allen key instead of this combo wrench. The Allen key. That was a bad idea getting like a stupid combo wrench. Allen key with a 3mm. That's much better. Because the 3mm is not used that often for not that often this way. I think my socket Allen set doesn't have the socket Allen set doesn't have the 3mm one on there. Smallest being 4. like that. I'm not going to cinch these down yet. I'm just going to give them just a touch, but not cinch down, just because I kind of want to put the windshield on, kind of mock it up a little bit. That way you kind of see how it looks. So I just got this new camera that I've been using for the last, I don't know, week or two now. It's a cool camera. You know, I like it a little bit more than using my old iPhone. The thing with this thing is that this camera, it's a, what is it called, a FIMI Palm. The bad thing about it is that it uses a FAT32, the FAT32 standard for the SD card, micro SD. So the FAT32 only, you know, holds 4 gigs. It's not even a true 4 gig. It's only like 3.5 gig. Then that's the most you can hold it in one file. And after that, you know, it's basically another file. So the good thing is that it's still continuous recording, but if, you know, under the mode that I have it on, which is the lowest resolution, 1080p, 24 frames per second. That's the lowest one that they have, and the most I could record on that is between 10 minutes and 10 to maybe 13 minutes, 12 minutes, something like that. Then after that, it will go on to another file. So basically, instead of making all this one video, it might end up being more than one video. I guess in some ways it's good, some ways not. The good thing is that, you know, each video is only, you know, a little bit over 10 minutes versus being longer, but at the same time, I think I had some videos that were like 14 minutes or something like that. I have several videos that were like 14 minutes or something like that, and also you have, you know, 12 minutes, and then also it's another 2 minutes. It's a separate video, so it's like, what the hell? It's kind of a pain to do. I mean, I guess I could do it. I could edit it into one video instead of two, but that means I have to do a lot of freaking work, and I hate sitting there editing. That's not what this channel is about. That's the reason why I don't do any editing or anything like that. I want everything to be kind of like real time. As if you were standing right here next to me while I was doing this. You can see whatever problems and mistakes that I have.